Programming the settings on your Defender AV1000 air purification unit ensures it operates efficiently and in a way that maximizes the benefits of air purification. Before you start, ensure the unit door is fully closed and secured. To initiate the startup sequence, plug the unit into a standard 120-volt outlet. You should see the initial startup screen. Wait until the Start Center screen appears. Press the Start button in the center of the touchscreen to open the home screen. The home screen will be locked by default. To unlock the display, press the F4 button located under the touchscreen. The screen locked indication will disappear and the screen controls can be manipulated. To relock the touchscreen, press F4. Before beginning circulation, first choose the desired running mode by pressing the shield button labeled Mode. Defend mode is normal fan speed and is indicated in the blue shield. Defend Plus mode is high fan speed and marked by a lighted green plus sign in the blue shield. Press the power button to start circulation. The unit will run continuously. To stop circulation, press the power button again. The Defend mode can be used with a daily timer to switch from Defend Plus mode for a set amount of time. To set the time, press the Settings button on the home screen. Then press the Defend Mode button. Before using the timed Defend Mode setting, check that the time of day is reading correctly. This is displayed in the System Time at the bottom of the screen. If the time is not correct, press the Set Time button. Set the time using the shown boxes. Note that the year is only set with the last 2 digits. Press the back button when finished selecting the time. To set the timed Defend mode, enter the desired time of day to switch from Defend Plus mode, high speed, to Defend mode, or normal speed. The unit will operate in Defend mode within the specified time. Press the Enable Timed Defend Mode power button to activate the timed settings. Press the Home button on the bottom left corner of the touchscreen to return to the home screen. To access the lamp and filter statistics, select the Settings button on the home screen. Select any of the top 3 buttons to see related statistics. After performing maintenance, selecting the Reset button under any of these topics will reset the Time Remaining field. Once you've finished programming your unit, always return to the home screen and press F4 to relock the screen. For more information or assistance on your product, contact our customer care department at 1-800-641-6996 or visit us at pinnacleclimate.com.